ITC, which has announced that today, Jan 6th, is the record date for its hotel business demerger with the parent. Now, the news suggests that every 10 shares of ITC will fetch investors 1 share of the newly demerged entity. ITC shares, what is the outlook and how do you view this development of the demerger finally going through, Akshay?
Yeah. So the demerger is a positive development if you are a holder of ITC shares in the cash market. But if you are looking at the stock from a short-term perspective, especially for one who is keen on the futures and options segment, I believe I don't see much of an upside if you are a short-term trader with a time horizon of a week or so, because of the corporate action, we might see some bit of a slowdown in terms of the price action, which in case the prices might see downside till 470 75 odd level. So that's a temporary downside which I see. Otherwise, from a long-term perspective, it's the demerger is really good news for those holding who held ITC shares. And if you were to look at ITC single stock per se, then I believe the price structure is strong. 460 somewhere is the support which has been chalked out in the last few days, and eventually the stock should see higher levels of 500 plus in the days to come.
Okay, but what happens to the share price of ITC post the demerger when the hotel business is taken away? Are we going to see a reduction in the share price of ITC in the days ahead?
Yes. See, I don't think it's going to matter much, because 1 is to 10 is the ratio for the demerger. So that's how it works out. And I don't think, yes, post the corporate action, the ITC shares should open lower, because I believe today is the day where by the end of the day, the opening tomorrow might see ITC on the lower end, but that is because of corporate action. And those who are entitled to receive ITC hotels will have those shares credited to their demat account. So it's more of a corporate action. It doesn't result in loss of value to any investor. Yes, per se, if you're an options or a futures trader, then your contract is already expired in the prior trading session. That's on 3rd, and new contracts of ITC would be opening on the 6th. So the first hour would be for price discovery, where your new lot sizes, your new lots, your new strikes for options will be determined for futures and options. New contracts would start for the next 3 months. So it's a new game entirely if you are a futures and options trader. But for long-term investors, I believe the value continues to hold in ITC as it stands right now.